Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you are interested in the future, technology, and artificial intelligence, then you are in the right place. Imagine a world where machines, robots, and AI systems are doing jobs that humans do today. Sounds interesting, right? But also a little scary. Because the truth is, by 2030, many jobs we consider normal today may no longer exist. In today's video, we are going to explore Top 7 jobs that AI will replace by 2030. Make sure you watch until the end, because number 1 might surprise you the most. Let's get started. Number 1. Data entry jobs. AI can already process and organize data faster and more accurately than humans. By 2030, most manual data entry jobs could disappear completely. Number 2. Customer support agents. AI chatbots and virtual assistants are available 24/7. They can answer basic questions instantly, without human help. Simple customer support roles are already being replaced. Number 3. Cashiers. Self-checkout machines and automated stores are becoming more common. In the future, many retail stores may not need cashiers at all. Number 4. Telemarketers. AI voice systems can now make natural phone calls and hold conversations. This means traditional cold calling jobs are at high risk. Number 5. Travel agents. Online booking platforms and AI travel planners can now handle everything automatically. From flights to hotels, AI can plan your entire trip in seconds. Number 6. Basic content writers. AI tools can already write blogs, ads, and scripts. Simple writing tasks are becoming automated, although creative writing still needs humans. And finally, number 7. Drivers. Self-driving cars and delivery drones are developing rapidly. In the future, many driving jobs could be replaced by autonomous systems. So guys, that was today's video. Top 7 jobs that AI will replace by 2030. But remember one important thing. AI is not only replacing jobs, it is also creating new opportunities. Those who learn to work with AI will have the biggest advantage in the future. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more future-focused content. Now tell me in the comments, which job do you think will be replaced first? Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye and take care.